Good afternoon, Namaskaram. എല്ലാ NTV പ്രേക്ഷകരെ ഇന്നത്തെ മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇന്ന് തേഴ്സ്ഡേ ആണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഇന്നുള്ളത് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറാണ്. ആസ്ട്രോ ന്യൂമറോളജിസ്റ്റ്, ഈസ് എ PhD, വാസ്തു ആൻഡ് ഫെങ് ഷുയി എക്സ്പെർട്ട്, ലൈഫ് സ്റ്റൈൽ ആൻഡ് വെൽനസ് കൺസൾട്ടന്റ് ആസ് വെൽ. ഈസ് ട്രാവൽഡ് ഓൾ ഓവർ ദ വേൾഡ്. ഈസ് മെറ്റ് ബൈ സെലിബ്രിറ്റീസ് ആൻഡ് ഫിലിം സ്റ്റാർസ്. ഇന്ന് ഡോക്ടർ നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം നെക്സ്റ്റ് 1 hour സ്റ്റുഡിയോയിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ജ്യോതിഷപരമായിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സമയമാണിത്. അപ്പം വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ 0529611133. അതുപോലെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് SMS വഴി നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ചോദിക്കാം. SMS നമ്പർ 3537. SMS അയക്കുമ്പോൾ NTV എന്ന് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും വെക്കാൻ ഓർക്കണം. അപ്പം എല്ലാവരും ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. ഡോക്ടർ നമസ്കാരം, മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
നമസ്കാരം. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം.
ഡോക്ടർ, നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് നമ്മളുടെ നക്ഷത്രം.
Yeah, okay. So the next nakshatra is Chitra.
Chitra, ade.
Yeah. The general characteristics are they are attractive, sociable, intelligent and natural leaders. And as you say, the favorable things are they are attractive, artistic, independent, natural leaders who wants to make an impact on the social life. High spirited, conversant, dignified, business skills, happy, well dressed, well groomed, well read, social thought, does well outside the place of birth, that is foreign countries. They are more successful in the foreign land. Then inclined towards more physical expressions of art such as printmaking and competitive designers. Now unfavorable are they are self-centered, attracted towards exciting things which can spoil their character, quarrelsome, critical, too quick to challenge somebody's point of view, and then maybe they can expect the defeat. And career interests are into designing, architects, jewelers, lawyers, judge, learned in quite scriptures, publications, radio, TV, film, armed forces, police, detectives, painters, photographers, designers, musicians, writers and herbalists. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor. So that was for Chitra nakshatrakarude general characteristics ആയിരുന്നു. Okay, all right, doctor, we have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon. ഹലോ, നമസ്കാരം, മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
ഹലോ, മിഴിയോരം.
യെസ്, ആരാ ഇത്?
ശ്രീജ. ദുബായ്.
ഓക്കെ, ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ ശ്രീജ?
മകളെ പറ്റിട്ടാ.
മോളുടെ പേരെന്താ?
അനാമിക.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. അനാമികയുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് എന്താ?
3/9/2001.
ഓക്കെ, ടൈം
ഉച്ച 12:30.
ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ്സ് 12:30 PM.
12:30 PM.
യെസ്. ആൻഡ് എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ചത് മോള്?
കേരള.
ആ, എന്താ അറിയണ്ട മോളെ കുറിച്ച്?
ഏത് ബ്രാഞ്ച് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റഡിയാണ് വേണ്ടത്? ഇങ്ങനെ കരിയർ.
Okay. Should like to know about her studies and
career
which branch she'll be choosing in college.
Okay. What's her name?
Anamika. Anamika is a daughter.
Acha, she's asking about her daughter.
Yes.
Okay. She's Kumbham Rashi.
Yeah.
And Purathadi Nakshatra.
അതെ.
Yeah. Okay, she doesn't have at present any Kantaka Shani or Ardha Shani, and doesn't have any Chava Dosham also. She's birth number 3 and life part number is 6. She can go for the Navratna pendant number 6. That is prosperity pendant number. And plus the dasha which she is going on is Guru Dasha, Vyam Dasha, but it is only up till March 2016. After that she got Shani Dasha for quite 19 years. So presently she is in which grade?
8th standard.
8th standard. So you basically want to know about a career, correct?
Yeah.
And studies. Okay, there is a possibility that you can get a break in the studies in the Shani period, that is after mid of 2016. But the career is good, not a problem. She has to struggle a lot, and your push is also necessary for her to go quite successfully. Okay, you can keep 7 pieces of peacock feather in a room. Keep a wealth or a educational pyramid, I will say, keep a educational pyramid uh, energized one, and she should face east while studying. Plus, I would advise, yeah,
ജോലി കിട്ടുമോ ജോലി?
sorry,
job, will she get a job?
yeah, but I think it is, yeah, she will get a job. She is but too young, no, now, grade 8, you know.
അതെ, ഏത് ബ്രാഞ്ചാ, ഏതിലാ, എങ്ങനത്തെ ജോലിയാ?
What kind of job, like in which field she'll be
Yeah, she can go in,
taking or
yeah,
going
she
into?
can go in computers, administration, and accounts.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the field of her choice, and she can get a job, not a problem. Job won't be a problem for her. Only thing is that Shani period from 2016 mid to mid 2025, that is little more, struggling period for her, but she will go over through it, not a problem. As I told you, these remedies, just do these remedies, I think it will be better for her.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you Srija for calling. Alright doctor, we'll go to the SMS.
Yeah.
Okay, it's for her daughter. Her daughter's name is Srija. Time is 2:20 p.m. 17th of February 1999.
1702
Yes,
1999.
Yes, the time is 2:20 p.m.
to 14:20 p.m.
Kerala.
Yeah.
Yeah, she would like to know about education, future, health, and now she's a little lazy in her studies, so she would like to know how far
Okay.
she'll do in her
Okay.
studies.
She is also Kumbh Rashi,
Okay.
and the nakshatra is Chatyam.
Okay.
Chatyam nakshatra. Okay, she doesn't have at present Kantaka Shani, and okay, no Chava dosha. She is birth number 8 and life path number is 2. 8 is basically related to Saturn, so she will have always obstacles in the short term assignments. But long term assignment, she will be little cool, lazy, because she is by rule number 2. So as you said, she is lazy, it's moon. So that is why she is lazy. And the dasha which she is going on is presently, again I will say Guru Dasha up till 2017 April.
Okay.
So she can go for any creative courses, that is interior designing, fashion designing. She can go for this course. Regarding health problems, she is just feeling lazy because of this Guru Dasha, which is little weak. And regarding Shani period, I think if she completes the studies, it is better. Otherwise, there can be a slow process of career and slow process of learning also at the same
Okay.
time. And I would advise her she can go for the prosperity pendant number 5. 5 is usually Budham number,
Okay.
which will give her good results in what you say studies.
Studies, yeah.
Yes, and she can donate green color things on Wednesday,
Okay.
either eatables or what you say clothes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, so that was for Srija.
Yeah.
അപ്പം SMS കേട്ടെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. Doctor, we have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon. മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
ഹലോ,
Yes, ആരാ ഇത്?
എന്റെ പേര് ലതിക.
ആ, ലതിക, ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
മോളിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയേണ്ടത്.
ആ, മോളുടെ പേര് പറയൂ.
മോളുടെ പേര് അപർണ.
അപർണ. ഓക്കെ, അപർണയുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
5th May 1999.
ഓക്കെ. ടൈം?
2:45 afternoon.
1999.
1999
യാ, ടൈം എന്താണ്?
45 ഉച്ച കഴിഞ്ഞ്.
AM PM.
യെസ്, PM. ആൻഡ്
2:45.
എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
45
യെസ്.
PM.
14:45.
എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത് മോള്?
കോഴിക്കോട്.
ഓക്കെ, കേരള.
Okay.
Yeah.
14:45. No?
എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
ഇപ്പൊ മോളിന് എക്സാം വരാൻ പോവാ 10th. അപ്പൊ പഠിത്തത്തിന്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് പഠിത്തം കൂടാനും ഒക്കെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ജേംസ് എല്ലാം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമെന്നോ, പിന്നെ ഹയർ സ്റ്റഡീസിന് എന്താണ് പ്രകാരം സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ കൂടുതൽ ഓപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഏതാണെന്ന് അറിയാനായിരുന്നു.
Okay. She's having exams, 10th exams now, so she would like to know how she'll be doing for that, and also higher studies, which branch.
Okay, she is
Is
Dhanu
suitable for
Rashi. Okay, she is Dhanu Rashi and Moolam Nakshatra.
Yeah.
And her Kantaka Shani is just started in November 2014.
Okay.
And it will last up to January 2023.
Okay.
Her birth number is 5 and again life path number is 2. The dasha which she is going on is presently Shukram dasha up till September 2019. So Dasha is okay, but there is a Kantaka Shani, so like for higher studies it will be very slow for her. She will get it clear, not to worry, in the 10th standard, grade 10th, but I think for the higher studies, because of Kantaka Shani, it is possible she can get a break, or the results may be not up to the mark.
Okay.
And the career interest can be, I think, medical, I think, is a very good career for her. If she is really interested in medical, I think that career would be very good for her. So I will tell you some remedies. You can just tell her to wear a rose quartz crystal,
Okay.
prosperity pendant number 2.
Where it is available, so?
Rose quartz crystal should be available in the market, but if it is not available, you can contact Kiran and he will get in touch with me, and we can also get it arranged for you.
Okay, so.
And prosperity pendant number 2, as I told you.
Okay.
Yes, and just if you can distribute educational books to the children, not to the poor but to the children regularly, that would also help her education. And even you can keep a crystal pyramid, a green color that is known as educational pyramid, a crystal pyramid, educational pyramid, green color, immersed in water at a study table.
Okay.
And if I don't know if she can,
Green color is good for her.
yeah, green color is good for, it's a Buddham color, green color. And she should be vegetarian on Saturday and Wednesday. Saturday because of Shani Dasha, Wednesday to increase the Buddham planet, Mercury planet, fastest planet of communication. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
sir.
Okay,
Thank
thanks
you,
a lot.
sir. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
bye-bye.
Bye.
So, Doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
Yes.
It's from Hridaya. Date of birth is 3010,
30/10
1985.
1985.
Time is 7:30.
1985.
Yes. Time
Yes.
is 7:30 p.m.
7:30 p.m. 19:30 p.m. Yes.
And place is Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah, she would like to know when she'll get a job, and she has not worked for the past 4 years, so she would also like to know about her current status and remedies also.
Okay, fine. She is Vrishabha Rashi and Kartika Nakshatra. What's her name?
Hridaya.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, presently she don't have any Ardha Shani, Kantaka Shani, and the birth number is 3, life path number is 9. I would advise that you can go for the prosperity pendant number 3.
Okay.
And the Dasha which she is going on is Rahu Dasha from, you can say, 2005 and 2005 to end 2002-3. So that is why you see, because of Rahu Dasha, you don't get the proper results, 35% 40 results because of this Rahu Dasha. That is why you have been like unemployed for the last 4 years. And even if you get the job in this Dasha, you will not be much satisfied, you will not have job satisfaction. I will just advise you some remedies. You can go for the you get Rahu beads mala, 27 beads mala, that you should wear for 27 minutes. Do not accept electronics as gift. Drink water in silver glass. Keep a small piece of triangle silver in your purse always. And if you can feed the fishes on Wednesday after sunset, it is okay. Otherwise you can go for the aquarium and keep it in the north area of your room. And plus I would advise you can, whatever electronics items you have at home which are not working, kindly get rid of it, or throw it or repair it, but get rid of it. That would help you to dilute the Rahu Dasha, and subsequently within 3 to 6 months you can get a nice favorable job of your choice. You can also wear a brown color crystal, of Rahu planet. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Doctor. We have a caller with us now. Hello, good afternoon. Miliyathiലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
ഹലോ
Yes, sir. പേര് പറയൂ, ആരാ ഇത്?
ഡെസ്നി.
ഡെസ്നി, ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ കുറിച്ച്
ആ, പറഞ്ഞോ.
1910 1972
Okay.
ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ 1:30
Okay, 1:30 p.m. Yes, എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ചത്?
നാട്ടില് എറണാകുളം.
Okay. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
ജോലിന്റെ സംഭവം.
Okay, she would like to know about a job. A career base. 1910-1972.
Yeah, 1910-1972, Thursday, 13:30, Kerala. Your Kumbham Rashi.
1:30.
Sorry.
Yeah,
1:30 afternoon 1:30.
Yeah, 13:30, no?
Yes.
Yeah, you are Chatyam Nakshatra, Kumbham Rashi.
Yeah.
Chatyam Nakshatra. Okay, you don't have any Shani presently. Let me check the Dasha which you are going through. Okay, you are birth number 1, life path number is 3. 3 is basically Guru Vyam number, where you can wear a prosperity pendant of number 3. And the Dasha which you are going on is presently Budam Dasha. Budam Dasha is good, I think. So you can get basically job you are asking. When you will get a job, correct?
No, I don't have the job now.
You don't have the job now, and you are inquiring when you will get the job.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, yeah. I'm just calculating. Okay, in Budam Dasha, I think this Budam is little weak. If you do some remedies for this Budam Dasha, because you don't have Ardha Shani, Kantaka Shani. So if you do the remedies for the Budam Dasha for the same, I think you can get job maybe within 90 to 120 days.
92.
90 days, 3 to 4 months. A job of your choice, but you have to keep on trying, because 2015 is good for you. The second half will be good for you. So I think if you try for next couple of months, by the end of May and June, you can get the job of your choice. I will advise you wear a yellow quartz crystal, a prosperity pendant number 3. Okay, and even if you wear a Rudrasham, it is good for you. Then if you can keep a fast on Monday, have dinner or lunch in the night, either lunch or dinner, and the daytime you can drink tea, coffee, fruit juice and all.
Okay.
So keep a fast on Monday. Plus I would advise you take a coconut, break it into half, fill it with jaggery, good, and bury it somewhere there are a lot of ants. Like you can bury it next to some tree where there are a lot of ants, you know. Do this once a month. First week of every month. Do this for 6 months. Okay, do this for 6 months, and yes, and always donate sugar, and always donate sugar whenever possible for you.
Okay.
I think these 4-5 remedies, if you do, I think that would quite give you good results, prosperous results. Okay.
Financial. Okay.
Yeah, even financial stability also will increase in the second half, or in the third, like you can say third, fourth. Like from October, November, December, because once you get a job, naturally, you know, like it may take 3-4 months to get the financial stability, but I think you will get it in the, you can say October and December will be a good period for you for financial stability 2015. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot for calling. Doctor, we'll go to another SMS. It's from Reshma.
Okay.
Date of birth is 13-10-1988.
13.
10-1988.
Yeah.
Time is 10:13 a.m.
Yes.
She's
Kerala?
Yeah. No. She wants to know about a job. Yeah, she's born in Kerala. Just a second. Let me just check it out. No, she's born in Russell Khema.
Okay, then I have to change completely.
Yes.
1 minute. In the meantime, you can announce.
If you want to meet Dr. Kumar, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിട്ട് പോയി കാണണം, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ കൺസൾട്ടേഷൻ ഗൈഡൻസ് ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും മിസ്റ്റർ കിരണിനെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ ഇസ് ദെയർ റൈറ്റ് ഓൺ യുവർ സ്ക്രീൻ. ഇറ്റ്സ് 050-272-4157. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഞാൻ പറയാം, 050-272-4157 is the number. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മളുടെ ഇവിടെ NTV പുതിയതായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ തുടങ്ങാൻ പോകുന്ന ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാമാണ് അരങ്ങേറ്റം. അത് ഇപ്പോൾ ഡാൻസിലാകട്ടെ, പാട്ടിലാകട്ടെ, ഇൻസ്ട്രുമെൻസിലാകട്ടെ, നിങ്ങളുടെ ടാലൻറ്റ് ഏതൊരു ഫീൽഡിലാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അത് പെർഫോം ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരം നമ്മളുടെ NTV ലൈവായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒരുക്കാണ്. എനിക്കൊന്നു ടെലിവിഷൻ ഹിസ്റ്ററിയിൽ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് തന്നെയാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാം തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. അപ്പം നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നിങ്ങളുടെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് എഴുതി അയക്കേണ്ട ഇമെയിൽ ID is ar@ntvuae.com, and you can also contact us at our landline number. It is 06535563 06535563. All right, doctor. Yes.
Okay, she is Tula Rashi, Vishakam Nakshatra. And Tula Rashi, Kantaka Shani is going on presently up till October 2017.
Okay.
It's basically in the third phase. And what she wants to know, ma'am?
I want to know about a job.
Job. Okay, she's birth number 4, life path number is 4. 4 is basically for a Rahu number.
Okay.
And if you make 4 plus 4, it comes to 8. 8 is again a number ruled by planet Saturn. So she's, as per numerology, she's also going to have difficulty in her even personal life and official life also.
Okay.
The dasha which she is going on is presently Shani dasha.
Mhm.
So she got Kantaka Shani. As per numerology also, she is not so well placed. I think you have to do a lot of remedies because you have Shani dasha in your Jatakam up till May 2020.
Okay.
I have to, I think, just go you for the remedies for you to get a better job, but it will be only successful in the second half of this year. For this first half, February, March, April, May, June, you should do the remedies. Okay, wear a blue color crystal quartz. 1. A prosperity pendant number 7. 7 is a number of creation, I have already explained. Then feed the pigeons with cherupel, green whole moon, daily for 62 days, and then only on Saturday and Tuesday. You should keep a small piece of square silver in your purse always. If you can keep a fast on Saturday, it is excellent. You can have either lunch or dinner, and in daytime, tea, coffee, fruit juices are allowed. Plus, I would advise you, you can feed the cat also. A cat after sunset, any cat available at next to the dustbin, you get a cat food, you feed this for 43 days continuously, and then only on Tuesday and Wednesday. I think if you do this type of Anandanam, I think things will start becoming more favorable in your favor. Okay.
Okay, thank you, doctor. We have a caller with us now. Hello, good afternoon.
ഹലോ ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ
യെസ് മിഴിയൂരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ ഇത്?
ടീന.
ടീന. ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
ആക്ച്വലി എന്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡിന്റെ കാര്യമാണ്.
ആ പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. പേരെന്താ ഹസ്ബൻഡ്?
ബിനോജ്.
ഓക്കെ. ടൈം, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ ആദ്യം.
22nd ഏപ്രിൽ.
ഓക്കെ. ഏപ്രിൽ അല്ലേ?
ഏപ്രിൽ 1983.
ഓക്കെ. ഇറ്റ്സ് 22nd of April 1983. ഓക്കെ. ടൈം
ടൈം അറിയത്തില്ല ശരിക്കും.
ഏകദേശം രാവിലെയാണോ ഉച്ചയ്ക്കാണോ വൈകുന്നേരമാണോ?
ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ. നക്ഷത്രം അറിയാമോ?
നക്ഷത്രം മകം.
Magam. Okay, he's Magam Nakshatram. She doesn't
But
know
afternoon.
the time. Afternoon, approximately in the afternoon. That's
Okay,
all.
13 hours we'll just put it.
All right. And
place of
place
birth?
എവിടെയാ? സ്ഥലം എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ചത്?
ബഹ്റൈൻ.
ബഹ്റൈൻ.
Bahrain.
Yeah. Okay. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ ടീന?
ജോലിയുടെ കാര്യമാണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്. ബിക്കോസ് ഇവിടെ ഞങ്ങൾ വന്നിട്ട് ഇപ്പം 1.5 year ആയി. ജോലിയിൽ ഒരു സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റി ഇല്ല. അപ്പൊ അതൊന്ന് എപ്പോഴാണ്?
ഓക്കെ. നാട്ടിൽ നിന്നാണോ വന്നത്?
അല്ല, ബഹ്റൈനാണ്.
Okay, okay. They've shifted from Bahrain to UAE, I think 1.5 years back.
Okay.
And since then, there's no stability in his job.
Okay.
So she would like to know about that.
Okay. He's Simha Rashi and Magam Nakshatra. Yes. His Ardha Shani is going on from last year, that is November 2014, and it will last up till October 2017. So you can expect this type of struggle up till 2016 because of Ardha Shani. He is birth number 4, life path number 2, and the dasha which he is going on is usually Chandra dasha, that is moon dasha, which is not bad and not good. It is basically, you can say, it's just a cool dasha, and it makes a person more moody. And if this Chandrama dasha is little weak, a person feels, I think, double-minded. Sometimes decision power making is low, difficult to take any decision, what to do, what not to do. I would advise him some remedies that would only give him favorable in the next year. I think this year is also a struggle for you because it is 2015, and if you add up to 2015, it goes to 8 number. That is again number of Saturn, you know. So it is only next year. I don't want to give you any false hope, but next year would be quite good for you if you do the remedies which I will tell you the same. He should go for the amethyst crystal quartz, a prosperity pendant number 2. Are you listening?
Hello,
Hello?
Tina?
Yes, I'm listening to you.
Okay. And I would advise him, he can just donate food, clothes and medicine to the elderly home. Yes. Keep a crystal turtle in the north area of your living room. with the tail in the north. Okay. Yes, and even he should take bath with salt water continuous for 7 days, and then only on Saturday, every Saturday.
Okay.
That is for next 6 months. And
Okay.
yes, and even if he can keep a silence fast for 1 hour in the morning every day,
Mhm.
as he gets up from the bed, 1 hour silence fast in the morning,
Okay.
and tell him to drink water in silver glass.
Water in?
Water in silver glass. Whenever he is home, he should drink water in silver glass. That will give him also good recognition for the work, because he is not
Okay.
getting recognition, you know. So that is why, you know, like the prosperity is not there. He is not getting better opportunities for himself, just surviving, you know, hand to mouth. So let him do his remedies. But as I don't want to give false promise, next year January, from January I think would be better for him. 2016. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot, Tina. Doctor, shall we go for a break and then come
Okay.
back? ഓൾറൈറ്റ് മിഴിയത്തിൽ ഒരു ബ്രേക്ക് ആണ്. ബ്രേക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഡോക്ടർ ഇത് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഹാഫ് ആൻ അവർ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റുഡിയോയിൽ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിട്ട് വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാം, അതുപോലെ SMS അയക്കാം. SMS നമ്പർ 3537 വൺസ് അഗൈൻ NTV സ്പേസ് നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും വെച്ച് SMS അയക്കണം. ഓൾറൈറ്റ്, അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ബ്രേക്കിന് ശേഷം ഞങ്ങൾ വീണ്ടും പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ തിരിച്ചു വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും.